Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, My Classroom with PremaMa'am. Today in this video, we will study digestive system. So everyone, get ready with your paper and pen and let's start. The very first question that comes into our mind is, what is the need for a digestive system? Students, the food that we are eating, it cannot be utilized by the body. So, it needs to be changed into a soluble, absorbable form so that it can be absorbed by the blood and distributed in the body. When the food molecules are broken down into smaller units, they could pass through the cell membranes and thus can be utilized by the body. For this digestion to take place, enzymes play a very important role. Now you all will be thinking, what are enzymes? Enzymes are nothing but a protein. Just like you studied catalyst in a chemical reaction, similarly enzymes also act as a catalyst. They speed up the process of digestion and it can be used again and again. Now we will see the different characteristics of an enzyme. As I told you, it is a protein. Therefore, it is destroyed by heating. The bonds between the amino acids that make up the protein can break due to heat. An enzyme is specific. It means it will interact with only one kind of substance. That is called as substrate. For example, amylase present in saliva helps changing starch into sugar. Whereas an enzyme named maltase, also present in saliva, help in breaking down the sugar maltose into glucose. So you have seen here amylase and maltase, both are present in saliva. They have different name and they are specifically acting on different substrate. After acting on specific substrate, they will yield or they will give the same end product from the substrate every time they act on it. And students, remember, enzyme only affect the rate of a chemical reaction. It is going to speed up the reaction. Just like a catalyst, it will speed up the reaction and it can be used again and again. It will act best only at a particular pH. For example, pepsin, an enzyme secreted by the gastric juice, act only in an acidic medium, whereas trypsin, an enzyme secreted by the pancreatic juice, act in an alkaline medium. An enzyme works best within a narrow temperature range, that is the optimum temperature, the temperature at which the enzyme shows its highest activity. Enzyme activity decreases below or above that optimum temperature. The digestive system. Students, alimentary canal and the digestive glands together make our digestive system. What is alimentary canal? It is a muscular tube. Okay, it starts from the mouth and it ends up at the anus. The length is 9 meters and in some places it is highly coiled. The digestive glands, if we talk about, they are located in the lining of the various regions of this digestive tube. We will study about these glands and the alimentary canal in detail in the digestive system. The first organ of digestive system is the mouth. The mouth or the oral cavity is the space where the food is chewed and mixed with saliva. Its front limits are formed by the upper and the lower lips. The lips help in closing the mouth, sucking and sipping liquids, speaking and also in perceiving certain sensations, especially those of touch and heat. A muscular tongue helps in manipulating the food while chewing and mixing it with saliva. Tongue also helps in swallowing, tasting and cleaning the food particles from the teeth after eating and definitely it helps in speaking. The next part is the teeth. Teeth types and function. There are 4 types of teeth. First, incisor. The 4 front teeth in the center of each jaw. The cutting edges are broad and sharp like a chisel, used for biting and cutting. Second type is canine. 1 on either side of the incisors in each jaw. Shape conical and sharply pointed for holding and tearing the food. The third type is premolar. 2 on each side in each jaw next to the canine. And each premolar has 2 hill-like projections or the cusp. This cusp increases the surface area of tooth, thus helping in breaking down of food during chewing. The 3 last teeth on each side in each jaw are the molar teeth. The third molar is called wisdom tooth because they appeared last at an age of about 17 to 20 years. Okay, when the human body is reaching the maturity, that time this wisdom tooth appears. So it is named as wisdom tooth. Students, if you see clearly, we have seen that the human teeth are different in shape and thus they are known as heterodont. Okay, hetero means different, don't means teeth. So, as we have seen, the mammalian teeth, the human teeth are different in shape, so they are called as heterodont. But other animals like crocodile, shark, lizard, frogs, the teeth are similar in shape, so they are known as homodont. Same, homo and dont means teeth. Mammalian teeth appear in 2 sets during life. If we talk about humans, the first set, known as the temporary teeth or the deciduous teeth, will start growing through the gums when the child is about 7 to 8 months old, and they are completed grown till the age of 2 years. But these teeth are going to fall out as a result of their roots, which will get dissolved away in the jaw during the developmental stage. But these temporary teeth are later replaced by the permanent teeth by about 12 years of age. Number of teeth can be calculated by the human dental formula. A human child which is about 2 years old will have 20 teeth, and these teeth are milk teeth, the temporary teeth. 2 incisors, 1 canine, no premolar and 2 molars, both on upper and lower jaw. So it will make a sum of 20 milk teeth. A human adolescent, that is the age till 20 years, will have total of 28 permanent teeth, 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 2 molars, both in upper and lower jaw. A human adult where the wisdom tooth would have appeared or have grown will have 32 teeth, 2 incisors, 1 canine, 2 premolars and 3 molars, both on upper and the lower jaw. Structure of a tooth. Each tooth consists of 3 parts. The part exposed above the gum is the crown. The part embedded in a cup-like socket of the jawbone is the root, and a slight constriction between the root and the crown is the neck. The roots consist of a single process or fang in incisors and canines, 2 in premolars and lower molars, and 3 in the upper molars. This is the vertical section of a tooth. Enamel is the material which covers the crown, and it is the hardest substance in the body. Second, dentine, forming the bulk of the tooth. Harder than bone, but not as hard as enamel. It has minute canals, and through these canals runs the strands of cytoplasm of the cells in the pulp cavity. Pulp. It is soft connective tissue contained in the central space, pulp cavity of the tooth. It consists of blood capillaries, lymph vessels, and nerve fibers, which are continuous below those of the body through the opening of the pulp cavity present at the base of the root. Cementum. It is another bone-like structure. Help in covering and fixing the root of the tooth in position. That's all for today, students. We will continue the digestive system, alimentary canal and the digestive glands in the next video. Till then, like, share and subscribe to my channel, My Classroom with Prema Ma'am. Thanks for watching.